Tende gi weche mag ohala ne jo-ohala mawuok e gwenge mag Kisumu koro dwaro mondo mi kaunti no ochul gope ma moko thoro budho kaka yo mar reso ohelni mag kinde ma ochumi mar piny Kenya bende dhi nyime gi yulo. Jo-ohala go mano yuoro e romo ma bende no bagi kod bengi mar Absa koriwore kod riwruok matayo chenro mag ohala, the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Owacho ni pek mar yudo hola bende osemiyogi pek kama koro gikwayo bengi ma pacho ka mondo kik kasre gi medo nyinyo ma ijuogo gi wi hola. Jatend migawo mar omende kaunti ma Kisumu ma bende noyuoro e romo mane okelo jo-ohala ma ok tin 300 kanyakla. Owacho ni riwruoge ma ok mag piny owacho onego ti kanyakla kod tend kaunti mondo med yot e tayo weche mag ohala.
We want the county government to support those who are financing us by making sure that they pay the bills in time, that they allow the cash flow process to sail smoothly. Because if you hold onto bills for a long time, it means that you are denying that person the cash flow, and the bank cannot be paid, and even workers and other suppliers cannot be paid. We hope that Absa Bank will make sure that the cost of finance is affordable.
We acknowledge where we can get help from partners in the private sector to improve the way we perform. One of those areas is the area of our own enhancement of our own on-source revenue.
We've really opened up doing unsecured lending to the tune of 7 million shillings to new customers, and existing customers doing unsecured lending to the tune of 10 million shillings. That's really opening up, our partnership with the business and making sure that they can be able to get access to this facility.
Come, let's engage in the 4 pillars we discussed earlier on to ensure that you have the stability to be able to utilize those funds and make repayments in a positive manner.